formative assessment and summative assessment. The most common or the two major types to assess a student's develop in the classrooms are the summative assessment and the formative assessment. In the first place, we have the summative assessment. What is this? These are some tests or some tasks that we are going to be given administered to the students at the end of a certain time. That means, for example, at the end of a course, at the end of a unit, or at the end of a chapter. So, this is going to be used to determine if the students have achieved all the objectives and all the goals that were set at the beginning of that time. In the second place, we have the formative assessment. The formative assessment means that it is going to be used as a tool to see the improvement that the students are having every day. So it's going to be given during a course, not at the end of a course. In the formative assessment, the teachers can give feedback. This is going to be really useful to the students because they can see if they are grown in some topics, in some concepts. So the teacher can help them at the time that they need that help. After that, for example, we have in the formative assessment, we have some quizzes, instructor questioning and answering, we have the homework and some activities that the students are going to be doing every day or in each class. In the summative assessment that is at the end of the time, we can use portfolios, we can use some tests, some final exams, or some final projects to evaluate if they already have the knowledge that they should acquire during the course. We have some similarities and some difference between them. The similarities are really useful to see. For example, in both we require active instructor involvement. That means that the teachers need to be really involved with the assessment and the students. The instructors must be able to motivate the students to continue achieving their goals. And in both we need to be codependent in order to produce the desired result, because both are going to be going hand by hand. The difference are that the summative assessment is going to be able to provide a measure of a student performance, but only at the end. And the formative is going to be giving feedback every day, not at the end. And that's all.